The whole purpose of this are several purposes. One is to make your job more efficient. Two is that you're purifying and better cleaning the clean air. So what's going back into containment is even cleaner. And third, this is ideal when you cannot exhaust to the outside.
So can I tell you a couple of ways that this is used? Michael Pinto has been doing some training on the certified remediation course, sensitized individuals, and he loves this device because he knows that it's actually purifying the air and cleaning the surfaces, cracks and crevices throughout the environment. One of the things that he told us about, which I thought was interesting, was that sometimes when they run these tails, they'll actually cut the slits underneath on the bottom so that it's actually blowing stuff off of the floor to keep the floor clean. One of the other ways they've used it is to take the lay flat and hang it on the ceiling so that it's high and it's coming down. So there's a lot of things you can do with this depending on the particular what you want to accomplish basically with the use of the technology. The other thing I was telling you, we have, for those of you who are tech geeks, we have 650 pages of testing material on this component, on this technology. It's been around for a really, really long time. It's just the unique thing we did with it was we actually put the two technologies together, the dielectric barrier ionizer and the PCO technology. Nobody's ever done that before. But the cool thing about it is that it works every single time. Almost all the testing data has to do with keeping surfaces clean. And so if this air purifier is running and it's cleaning all of the surfaces, which is easier to test, frankly, than the air, because the air is so dynamic. But if it's keeping all the surfaces clean, what is it doing between here and the surface? Cleaning the air. Yeah. So it's a great technology. And we have these units for in-home units and standalones and also HVAC systems. Some commercial buildings, we've got them in large casinos, places where they have big smoking issues. So it's a great technology.
And all the AC units, the cruise ships.
Yes, cruise ships. Yeah, that little dielectric barrier ionizer, I showed you the HVAC system off the cruise ship.
Yeah.
That's what that was.
And each unit had one of those.
That's
awesome.
I've had a ton of companies try to pitch me on using theirs instead of ours, and it's just a superior technology. There's none of them that have that combination of things. Some of them have a carbon filter, some of them have UV, some of them have this, none of them have all of it. I use this on 100% of my jobs, whether the assessor put a note on there or not, because I know that it makes my job more efficient and I'm confident in how quickly it's gonna get done. Plus, it always saves you that argument of, can I exhaust to the outside?
Right.
If you can't, you can't. And like I said, most of the time I can't. It's just in that situation. So I feel confident 1000% knowing that I put this in there. If I've had a clean HEPA filter, a clean paper filter, the green light is on and the purple light is on, I'm good to go.
Is there a line item for that? The PRV?
Hydroxyl.